Hola a todos, my name is Eileen from Casamona International and we're here in Barcelona, in Born. We have this 2-bedroom apartment that I'm gonna take you on a tour. So starting from the amazing living room, as you can see, it's bright, it's cozy. The Catalan beams right here give you like a modern, historic charm. And then the tiles right here give you the modern vibes. It's fully furnished. You have the TV, you have sofas here, you can just come here, chill, read a book here, enjoy. Fresh air coming from the terrace right here. You can hang your clothes right there. Yeah, and now let me take you to the kitchen dining area. So this is really nice because it's like an open plan layout. So you have nicely kitchen here, dining area, so you can have friends here eating while watching TV together. To the kitchen. As you can see, it's fully equipped. It has everything you need. It has stove, oven, a lot of storage space here, and then you have also a window here, so when you cook you can have all the smells going outside. And then you have the smoke extractor as well. Nice! Now coming to our left side, we have the bathroom. As you can see, it's very modern, really beautiful. Has a sink, shower, a big shower, also a lot of storage space. And also right here you have a washing machine, which is really nice. And then moving on to the other bathroom, that's a bit smaller right here. As you can see, it's also very modern, it's clean. And now let's take you to the bedroom, so follow me. As we come here, you have more storage right here. You can put all your stuff. And then from there, we'll go to the first bedroom. Take a look at this gorgeous Catalan vibe bedroom. You have also Catalan beams here, and you have your own amazing balcony. So you can just wake up. Once you wake up, you go straight to the balcony and just smell in all the beautiful smells. And now, lastly but not least, the second bedroom. Wow, this is also so nice. You have so much space here. You have your own big bed, own office space. Also a lot of storage right here that you can put all your stuff, clothes, everything you need. And also lastly, your own window as well. If you're interested, contact casamona.com.